Hey Alex, got a question for you. So this is my first time going in for a Brazilian wax. Do you have any pointers for me? Appreciate it. Thank you.
It's totally normal to be nervous before your first wax. I still get nervous before my own waxing. The main thing we want to focus on first is making sure that hair is long enough for the wax to properly grab it and remove it by the root. So we want it to be 1/4 of an inch, which is about the length of a grain of rice. Make sure you're not trimming or shaving anything before you come in. Exfoliating 24 hours before your wax appointment is a good idea. It helps remove any buildup on top of the skin to help that hair slip out more easily. Some people take a pain reliever an hour to 30 minutes before their wax appointment. This is an option that can help take the edge off. The sensation is described like a sunburn slap. So if you've ever had your skin sunburned and somebody slapped it, that's the feeling you get. It's a very quick sensation. I quickly apply pressure to help that go away. The first wax is going to be the most uncomfortable. This is for several reasons. One, because your nerve endings have never had this sensation happen before, so they're going to react a little stronger your first time. The next reason is because the hair is mature, so the diameter of the hair is thicker as it matures. And once you remove this hair by the root, a smaller baby hair is going to grow back with a smaller diameter size. So when you're removing a hair that has a smaller diameter, you're going to feel less of that discomfort. It's more uncomfortable when that hair is matured to a thicker diameter. Finally, it's the waxing process. We use hard wax in the Brazilian area. After testing tons of waxes, I'm confident that this is the best for this service. What I'll do is I'll apply the wax in small sections to the skin. As the wax cools, it hardens around that hair, so when I remove that strip of wax, it's going to remove the hair by the follicle. After we're done waxing, I'll apply aloe to your skin. And if you qualify, we'll do a high-frequency treatment. This uses two-way current and neon gas to help promote healing in the skin. It also kills any bacteria and helps reduce inflammation. I first wipe the area clean to make sure there's no sweat or oils on the skin. Then I apply a layer of pre-wax oil. This helps protect the skin by creating a barrier to help the wax stick more to the hairs and not so much to your skin. Next, I apply a layer of thin powder that's going to help absorb any moisture on the skin, and it also helps the wax spread more smoothly. Keeping your waxing on schedule is very important. This is because your hair grows in cycles. Our goal is to have all your hair growth cycles in that area synced up so you have smooth skin for the longest period of time before the hair starts growing back. I recommend waxing every 4 to 6 weeks depending on your hair growth cycle. Don't worry, you'll do great, Kara. It's not as bad as it seems. Think of it as like a self-care adventure.